In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly summarize a Word document using the ChatGPT Atlas app. Whether you're dealing with a lengthy report or a detailed essay, sometimes you just need the key points presented clearly and concisely. Let's dive into this process so you can breeze through it with confidence. First things first, to get started, you'll want to have the ChatGPT Atlas app open and ready on your device. If you haven't already installed the app, make sure you've done so beforehand because it's essential for this task. Once the app is up and running, you're set to begin your summarization journey. Now, in the app's interface, you'll find a chat section. This is where all the magic happens as you interact with the AI. To begin, you need to upload the Word document you wish to summarize. Look around for the plus sign icon in the chat section. Clicking this icon will allow you to upload your file directly into the app. Make sure your document is ready and easily accessible for a smooth upload. This step is crucial because the AI requires the content to work with in order to generate an accurate summary. Once your document is uploaded, it's time to create a prompt that will instruct the AI on exactly what you want it to do. In this case, you'll want to type out a clear and straightforward prompt. Summarize this word. By doing this, you're directing the AI to focus specifically on condensing the content of your uploaded document. Think of it as giving the AI specific guidelines to follow, ensuring that you get the concise summary you need. After you've crafted your prompt, the next step is equally simple. Locate the Submit button within the app's interface. Clicking it will pass your instructions over to the AI, prompting it to analyze your document and produce a summarized version of its content. This part of the process is usually quick, but the time it takes can depend on the length of the original document. Be patient and allow the app to work its magic. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've harnessed the power of the ChatGPT Atlas app to summarize a Word document efficiently. Remember, this tool is fantastic for saving time and distilling large amounts of information down to manageable summaries. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you'll be able to apply this method whenever you need concise insights from extensive texts, whether for work, study, or personal projects. Thanks for watching, and happy summarizing!